Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about this iPhone 11. Is it still worth it in 2021? Let's find out. This iPhone was gifted by my dad on my birthday, so a huge thanks for him for buying me this. It comes with a 12 megapixel rear cam with wide angle and a 12 megapixel front cam, both able to capture videos at 4K 60 fps. The thing I love most about this iPhone is its camera. The footages it gives are just brilliant. And the stabilization of this camera is very great. It doesn't give much of a shaky video when you capture it with your bare hands. This iPhone is running on the latest iOS 14.7.1. iPhone comes with an IPS LCD display which is not as great as many Android phones in this price range. Now it's definitely better than other LCD panels because of the two-tone you can see here. The True Tone gives that absolutely stunning colors to the pictures and videos you take on your iPhone. Now it's time to test the camera. As you can see, we can capture videos at 4K 60p at a great resolution, and the front camera also has the same 4K 60 resolution, which is absolutely great when you are going to do vlogs and stuff. This iPhone comes with 3110 mAh battery, which is great considered to an Android phone which has like 4000 to 5000 mAh of battery and provides less screen time. It comes with a RAM of 4GB, which really shows us that Apple has done a great job in memory management. Now, one downside of using iPhone is that you can only use paid apps and stuff, and I really find it disheartening when I can't use my favorite apps on Android for free. I was a huge fan of this Forest app, which was free on Android. As you can see, it's listed at 179 rupees. This iPhone has an aluminum frame with a back glass. Is it actually worth it in 2021? Yes, it's of course worth the price in 2021 because it's priced at almost 49,000 in Amazon, which is a great price. The video editing performance of iPhone is just mesmerizing. I just love it because it handles 4K video with such an ease that I'm in love with this iPhone. And I'm planning to do all my video editings on my iPhone from now on. I assure you that it wouldn't break a sweat when performing such tasks like video editing or gaming or some really intensive tasks. Let's do a video rendering test on this iPhone 11. This is the previous video from my channel. Hello guys, today I'll be doing the review as you can see. Digital ring light, and let's see if it's worth buying. And it has a duration of 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Now let's render this footage which was captured at 4K 60 fps and let's see how much time it takes. Let me get the stopwatch from the other phone. And let's start rendering. And that's it. We got it rendered in 1 minute and 38 seconds. That's pretty cool, considering that it's a 2 minute 31 second duration video, which is captured at 4K 60 FPS. Now let's see how an iPhone and a similar Android phone loads a gaming app. In this test, we are using Battleground Mobile India. As you can see, this iPhone clearly outperforms this Android phone, and we can play the games at high graphic settings on this iPhone, which supports up to Ultra HD. And this is Battleground Mobile India, played on iPhone 11 at the highest graphic settings. This is me, Rishi Venkatesh M. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Thanks for watching. Also check out my other videos and hope you find it useful.